If you don't like the uncertainty of stocks but still want to grow your nest egg, then invest in real estate for retirement. Imagine waking up every day in your dream home, without financial worries. Sounds nice, right? Investing in real estate can help make that a reality. Real estate offers a steady income through rental properties. This means regular cash flow, which is perfect for covering your retirement expenses. Plus, property values tend to increase over time, building your wealth even further. Worried about market volatility? Real estate is generally more stable than stocks, providing a safer investment option. And it's something tangible. You can see it, touch it, and even live in it. Let's not forget the tax benefits. From mortgage interest deductions to depreciation, owning property can help you keep more money in your pocket. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a real estate expert to get started. There are plenty of resources and professionals to help you along the way. So, whether you're looking for extra income, financial security, or a dream home to retire in, real estate could be the key to your golden years. Start planning today and invest in your future happiness. Remember, a secure retirement isn't just a dream, it's a smart investment. Visit blueprint.madpapercoaching.com to get help on getting started in real estate investing.